So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about honey. Those who have dead skin, those who have pigmentation, those who have pimples or dark circles or pimple spots which have which are not going, this all will gone by using my all this remedy. These all remedies are really very natural and I have used. If you all like my video, do like, share, comment me down and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on my Instagram, which is _33_09. So let's get started with our remedies. So guys, our first element is honey, only honey. आप नेचुरल हनी ले सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ करने वाली हूँ ये डाबर का हनी. आई होप आप लोगों ने देखा हो, डाबर का हनी है ये. मैं वो यूज़ करने, आप पतंजलि हनी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इतना माइंड में रखना कि हनी जो है वो ऑर्गेनिक हो. उसके जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स है पीछे वो आप प्लीज़ रीड कर देना गाइज. हनी इज़ यूज्ड फॉर फेस वॉश ऑल्सो एंड फॉर फेस क्लिनजिंग ऑल्सो. And honey has anti-organic substance which protects our skin from any kind of skin infection or skin problems. So honey is a natural moisturizer or a natural hydrating for our skin. If your skin is very dry and due to your dryness of your skin you have lost your original skin glow, so you can also use this honey for your skin. First remedy is first of all we will take 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, this much amount. If you had not washed your face, you first of all go and wash your face, then apply this. I have washed my face previously, so I am applying this on my face. So आप direct honey लेके आपके face पे अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर दो. नेचुरल हनी वर्क्स लाइक reduces your dark circles, it will reduces your dark spots if you have, it will help in brightening the skin also. So guys, I have applied honey all over the face. After, if you are applying as a face pack, you can wash it after 10 to 15 minutes. If you are applying as a face wash, you can face wash as it is after applying the honey. So our next remedy is honey and turmeric powder. We have to take a pinch of turmeric powder and honey. We have to mix it well. We all know turmeric is a natural ingredient for our skin. Our parents and their parents, our nani, nanas all use this turmeric for their face. Turmeric is basically used for sunburn or our skin has tanned. We can use turmeric on that basis. Reduces pimple and pimple scalps. Turmeric have antioxidants and anti-inflammatory. So guys, turmeric is very good for our skin. So guys, we have made this paste. We'll apply this paste properly on our skin as a face mask. You have to compulsory after applying this, you have to compulsory wait for 15 to 20 minutes because it's a face mask. And those who have dark circles so can apply this. If you all don't want to use this as a face mask, you can also take a cotton bud stick and apply it as a dot therapy. So guys, I have applied my turmeric and honey pack, so I am using it as a pack. Before I told you, if you want to apply it only on a pimple or on pimple spots, you can take a cotton bud stick and you can also dip that stick and have a dot therapy on your face too. So you have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes for this, and after then you will wash it. So guys, we are going to use honey and sugar in our third remedy. So guys, you can use honey and sugar as your face scrub. So we have first of all done our face wash, then we have done face pack. Now you can do face scrub. Honey sugar scrub is very useful. So guys, this sugar scrub is a very useful things inside it. This will reduces, so it will soften your skin. If your skin has a dead skin, it will removed. If you have a blackheads or whitehead, it will also removed, and makes your skin very soft, very fresh. So yeah guys, let's get into our remedy. So now we will take some honey first of all. 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we will mix it well. So guys, this pack is useful. This scrub, if you have aloe vera gel with you, you can also add that in this scrub. If you have a dead skin, it will remove, literally it will remove. If you have black heads and white head, it will remove. But if you will use this twice in a week, after applying the pack, we have to massage it properly. I have a massage, but massage it gently, very softly. Don't harsh your skin. Guys, I have scrubbed my skin. You can massage it for 5 minutes, and after that we have to wash. Guys, so our fourth remedy is honey and coffee. Coffee has antioxidant and anti-aging. So coffee is from your dead skin to your dark spots to your dark circles. It finished each and every skin related problems which you have. Coffee has chlorogenic acid and melanoidin compounds in it, so that our skin will brighten up, and it cleans our skin very deeply. First of all, we have take 1 spoon of honey. I have used here Brew Gold coffee. You can take any Nescafe coffee. You can take any brand of coffee. I have yet not opened it. We'll take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. Yes, we will mix this very gently. Coffee also is also used as a face pack and face scrub too. I have mixed it properly. Now I will apply it on my face gently. You can apply it by your fingers. You can apply it by your brush. If you have any kind of a cotton thing, you can also apply it by that. It will drop down. So be careful that you have a piece of a cloth with you. So guys, I have applied my face pack of this coffee and honey. After 15 minutes you can also wash it, and if you want to gently massage, you can also gently massage on it. After 10 to 15 minutes I will wash it. You can also massage it properly, but I am not going to massage because my coffee powder is gently very powdery, so I can't massage it. So guys, our fifth remedy is honey and lemon. Lemon helps in lightening up our skin. It will remove our pimple, helps in lightening up our pimples mark, helps in removing our facial hair, helps in removing our dead skin, and helps in removing our pigmented area on our face, on our lip area around. So lemon has a AHA compound. Due to that, lemon lighten up our skin and makes our skin brighten than the before after using this pack. So guys, first of all we have to take honey and a half lemon. and now we will mix it well. So guys, I had told that lemon and honey pack will brighten up and lighten up your skin. So it will not like that you will use it and your skin will be very light. It will not like that. It will come to your original skin tone. And if you want this pack as a spot therapy, you can also do that by using a stick, cotton bud stick. Dip it in this and you can have a spots. 5 minutes you have to wash it. You don't have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Only 5 minutes is enough. And if you will do this for 3 days a week, it will be a great result. So guys, I have told you honey's remedy. There are much more remedy, but it will longer the video. So I have a last one remedy which will be a combo of all these. If you don't want to use as a only turmeric powder, only coffee powder, or only a sugar and only a lemon, you can also mix all of them. If you don't have all these things, if you have only turmeric and honey, you can also use that. That's why I have told you before the remedy. Now this remedy is very useful. So guys, first of all we will take honey. We'll add sugar, turmeric powder, coffee powder, some lemon also. Now we are going to mix it well. So guys, I have told you in my each and every remedies, this remedy is very useful, this remedy is very useful, this remedy is really very useful for mixed skin type tone, like those who have a dry to normal skin, they can use this and it will be a very nice result. So guys, this pack is a mixture of a pack and a scrub too, and each and every ingredient are used very healthy and very useful for our healthy skin. It will remove your dark circles, it will remove your pigmented area, it will remove your pimples and your dark spots which you have of your pimples. Brighten up your skins too, and your dead skin layer will be also removed. And this pack is really very useful for each and every skin type. You can try this all ingredients. You can also add some aloe vera gel, you can also add some vitamin E capsules, you can also add some tomato juice into it, and then you can use it. It is very useful. I have so many remedies related this honey. So guys, you can use any remedy from this and it will definitely 110% give you a result. So guys, I have applied this pack. Now I will for 10 minutes because in it there is lemon too, so we can't put lemon much time on our skin, so we will only put this pack for 10 minutes. And these are my remedies for our skin type, for our healthy skin. Those who have skin are dull, not glowing, in this winter skins become very dry. So those who have these problems, it will be gone. So just used all these remedies, all this one of it remedy. So yeah guys, hope so you all like my this remedies, and each and every ingredients are easily found at your home, in your kitchen. It's a sugar, it's a turmeric powder, it's a lemon, and it's a coffee powder, and it's a honey. Each and everything can be found at your home. Is whatever I have told you, you have to use it for 3 days in a week. After then it will get you a proper result. If you will use it for once and you will tell that there is not any kind of result. It will be not like that. So yeah guys, used it lemon remedy. I have told you it will lighten your skin and brighten up your skin. It is not like that. It is like your skin will be come to your basic, your natural skin tone. सो इट विल बी नॉट लाइटन लाइक आप काले हो तो वो गोरे हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा, ठीक है। तो आप प्लीज़ ऐसे मत रखना कि मैं काले और गोरे में मैं ऐसा कुछ भेदभाव करती हूँ। सो या गाइज, आई जस्ट होप यू गाइज लाइक माई दिस ऑल रेमेडीज़ एंड कॉमेंट मी डाउन कि आप लोगों ने कौन सी रेमेडी यूज़ की, आप लोगों को कुछ भी आपको कोई फेर पड़ा कि नहीं, आपके फेस पे बेनिफिशियल है या नहीं। Due to this winter season, our skin has become dry, our natural glow has gone. So for that you can use all this remedy and you can start your summer very fresh. So yeah guys, if you like my all this remedy, do like, comment, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram too, and comment me down if you guys apply this remedy on yourself, how it goes on your skin, and is it really works or not. I am 110% sure that it will 100% will come. So yeah guys, we will meet in my next video. Till then, stay safe and be happy. Bye guys.